What run are we doing?
Zone 2 for 45 minutes.
Hopefully, we're able to survive the heat and do the zone 2 the way zone 2 is supposed to run, which is literally at a walking pace. Let's go. So luckily our watch has this thing called alerts. So every time our heart rate goes up, it's gonna give us an alert. We purposely switched that on. So that rhythm does not go fast because he has a habit of running fast on his easy days. There are two types of runners. One who train the entire year, and second who needs a race to train. I'm the second runner who needs a race to start training consistently.
But do you mean training or running? So do you only run in the race season?
No,
Or do you
actually,
train in the race season.
train on the race.
The rest of the year you're just running
Yeah,
casually.
I'm just running. But this year I made sure to at least casually keep running, even during the humid season, because I know I've realized that when you take a gap, you're back to square one. So hopefully this training block should be easy compared to the earlier one. So start training my smaller muscles properly, I think I can run faster. Woo. What about you?
What?
How do you think your training block is going to go?
I don't know yet. I've always run casually.
Yeah. Rhythm is the VIP visitor of the toilet here.
Yeah. You know, there's something wrong with me. The moment I start running, two of my bodily fluids start secreting very quickly. One is my urine, second is my sweat.
There was a time where we used to start our runs at 7 or 8 o'clock because other runners in Bangalore also run at the same time. But we've realized we can't do it. Now, we left our house at 8 o'clock something and it's very humid. Plus, we don't have any hydration on us, which is not a good idea. We're 10 minutes into the run. They don't want to do 45. I don't think that's happening. Look at the sweat. SRK is calling me for a coffee. You wanna go?
Is he?
Yeah.
Did he message you something?
Yeah. He was supposed to join me for the run, but he slept off.
Slept off?
Yeah.
What SRK?
Maybe next time join me, okay? Don't give excuses. Imagine poor guy wants to actually run, but he can't.
Poor guy.
I mean,
You're calling SRK poor guy.
he can't run, then he'll be like, let me go internationally, but then again he's famous internationally. Such big problems. I would like such big problems in my life. Enter the heaven.
From my hairline to my backbone, and it's dragging me around, but I don't listen. All your critics are red. Mind your own business. That's right. And I run red lights. Now watch me fly. Got an angel to my left.
So funny. Which taxi did you come from?
Now that only after waiting for 20 minutes, you have to just go with what you get.
I think I underestimated the crowd here.
Yeah, no shit.
Where are we, Rhythm?
Go and check. We are at Kamla Mills, Lower Parel. We are here for Dawat and Bombay Canteen.
Rhythm kept telling us you all need to go at 11 o'clock, wait in the line. I said no.
Sorry,
we'll go
Rhythm.
Aram se.
Sumimasen.
But Rhythm knows the power, actual power of social media. Look how many people are here. People are waiting. And I heard someone saying to the owner that the food was really nice. I told Rhythm, do we wait now? What do we do? Do we go to Pop Tates, have something? Then when our number comes, we go inside.
Have you never been in like such kind of scenarios where you have to wait in line to go inside?
No. We are Bombay people. We don't have any patience to wait
I
for
mean,
food.
I have done in those family dining restaurants, but there have never been 150 people. There are like only 2-3 families and you wait for like half an hour.
Been like this in Sri Lanka.
You wanna-
You understand now? Somebody's posting on social media that is the 10th anniversary.
Yeah.
You come over here, you eat all the dishes you want.
You
and
should
then
have taken the number.
But I thought it would have been like quicker.
Number
Of
lage
course, now
aana
it's my
chahiye.
mistake.
Nahi. This is
What
the
were you
exact.
doing at home?
Wait.
Nothing.
We're going down.
I have to book the GSP cut today. That is also nice.
सब खत्म नहीं होता.
I know my mother wants ना गणपति के लिए 4 पूजा.
तेरी मम्मी को बैंगल्स भी चाहिए सोने के कंगन के.
मेरी माँ wants सोने के बैंगल, earrings, everything.
सेट रेडी है. तेरी मम्मी को क्या चाहिए था?
Hit the road, Jack. Won't come back, no. You can sign me. With a devil in my hand, now here's to the cheaters. Hey, 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 all the critics on me. This one's on me. Hey, oh yeah, that's right. Got an engine to my left, down to my right. We're going down.
How was the food?
Fantastic.
Yeah, worth the wait.
Very worth the wait.
What was your favorite? Will you say? The chaat.
The
For me,
chaat
it
is-
was
That's
the
a chaat.
You forgot the chaat?
कोथिंबीर वडी
And
चाट.
then there was that other, I don't know what,
Patra.
patra, no, the other bhaji,
The
हलीम. Veg हलीम.
veg halli.
Veg halli.
We couldn't record because the sound there, the music was too loud. But we waited for 1 hour 15 minutes, but it was worth the wait. And then we had to pay whatever we felt like. मंदिर दर्शन ना इतनी बार मंदिर है जितनी बार नाइकी स्टोर है.
Nike's more.
Meghna wants to buy running socks, but look how many people are tagging along. Huh?
Chalo, now we go to Adidas.
Yeah. I like Adidas running socks. They're nice. You run in your Asics only.
I started running in my Asics only.
Yeah.
Easy.
We are going to do a run together at 10K on 25th of August. Come guys, join us at BKC for Aegis Federal Run. Come cheer for Meghna. I have to anyhow make her run under
1 hour 10 minutes.
1 hour 17.
17 is a lot. We'll do it in 1 hour 10.
Qualification time is different.
It's 1 hour 17 minutes.
Yeah, for women it's 1 hour. And now everyone is DMing me. We don't have a certificate. How are we supposed to do for TMM?
I
Next
will
year.
not tell.
This is what happened with us also. You need a timing certificate to register for TMM. Now people are like, I have my own Strava runs. You can't have that. Time runs are only when you register for a race and do it. Meghna is super pumped. I am scared because I have to make her run on the one. She is given all the tension to me.
Yes.
That is
It's
what
on Dada has to make me cross the finish line. I don't care.
that is what Pacer's responsibility is. Yeah, we'll do it.
We have to do it. Can't break the streak.
Yeah, Meghna wants to do which streak, Meghna?
21 kilometers.
She started with Dream Run, na?
Yes.
Dream Run pehle kiya, then she did.
10K last year.
Now she wants to do half
21.
marathon and then marathon in 2026. We have new runner in the house.
Who is just wasting money.
Investing money on your health, Meghna. You haven't purchased any new shoes. You've got one dry fit and one socks.
Yeah, that's it.
And now you'll reach a point where you'll have more workout clothes than your normal clothes.
At this point, I don't even have going out clothes. I only have pajamas because I don't go anywhere.
This is what happens when you do work from home.
Yeah.
Huh?
More in-home clothes.
In home clothes, yeah, and you forgot. Then you have to get ready. Oh shit.
I don't have
And then you
anything.
have the breakdown. Kapda hi nahi hai. Though Meghna has a lot of clothes. She likes to buy new outfit for every event. That is your thing.
And then I don't do that.
Yeah, I am an outfit repeater, guys. Be outfit repeater. Who is Abhishek? Is he a outfit repeater or outfit का क्या है? दूसरा opposite क्या है?
रिपीटर मैं बोल रहा हूँ
Repeater.
अपने पास 4 कलर है सब चटाक कोई कलर रिपीट
We always see Meghna in black color only.
Black and blue.
This is your race day outfit?
No. I don't know. I'm not sure. If I
Arey,
find something nicer, I'll get it.
Is this recording? I'm such a noob. Is it? Yeah. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Let's go. Come on.
It's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. Don't let it in, just let it go. I don't know how, but I just know how to pass the time.
Hi, what's up? What's your name? Vedanti. Vedanti, how are you feeling? I'm feeling pretty great. I've been trying to come for your runs. A lot of times. Where have you traveled from? Oh, Parle. That's feasible. Yes. And that's why we have a lot of runners coming because like when the
has a lot of running crowd.
yeah, it does. Come on, let's do it. How are you feeling?
I've been feeling great. I mean, it's been a very long time since I've ran.
Yeah?
But it's crazy and I'm like, I look forward to more of these for sure.
Hi guys, how are you feeling? If you feel like you are going out of breath, walk. That's totally fine. I mean, it's just running all the time can be tough when you're not used to it.
Why did you start running?
My boyfriend got me into it. Rhythm. Yeah, literally. Everyone thinks it's the other way around. Chalo, camera aa gaya. It's time for us to run.
Running just for
Facts only.
I didn't expect such a huge turnout.
Yeah.
I was like 10-15 people will come in.
No man, Juhu. Last time also we had 52 people showed up on. Today I'm surprised because Saturday so many people showed up.
More than 50, right?
Yeah, I think 60, 65. It's surprising on Instagram when you see you're like at 1,000, 2,000 likes. When people come in real, you're like, what? What's your name? Sorry. Risha. I'm going to try my best to remember names today. First time running?
Yeah.
Seriously?
I usually do cardio, a lot of cardio,
Yeah.
but I don't do usually running because I'm in gym mostly.
Okay.
So most of the HITs, high intensity
Understood.
interval trainings and all.
This is like the other side. Running on treadmill, doing a cardio outdoor is a complete different ball game. Tell us your name. Tell us your name.
My name is Ali.
I'm going to try to capture more names. Nice meeting you. Come on. So my physios recommended me to run and walk and not just run all the time because I'm facing shin splints and I have few races coming up. So I have to be very careful with that. So I have no shame in walking right now. If you are from Bombay, join us for the run club. Come for the vibes. Come for the community. Come for the like-minded people and just have fun. Sometimes I forget that it's difficult to multitask, like to record, talk to people and also run. I've been doing a great job in this, but times can be tough. I'll be honest, the only problem with hosting a lot of people in Bombay is that the meetup points are not that huge. We're trying to do a research and we found this amazing garden in Juhu, which is lovely. You guys might have seen it, how spacious the garden was, and we were able to host 60-70 people. I think there are easily 60 to 70 people today. I just want to say last thing, did you all have fun? Look at so many people showing up. Thank you guys once again for coming. Yeah. Yep. No. Look. Clap for these guys. They didn't give up, guys. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo!
लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।